A Doll's Day. Hello everyone and welcome to A Doll's Day. We're going to be sitting here and we're going to be looking at some Miniverse lifestyles. So this is from one, and I might have some from other ones, from other series, but let's just see what we got so far. Okay, so after getting ready my camera, I got this. Okay, I don't know if I know which series this is from. This is the, let's see what we got. Okay, we got some pink sand here. We got a little dish. Okay. And it's a clear, okay, it's a clear dish. Okay, so we have our animal is a fish. We have a pink beta. Oh, she's beautiful. She's so tiny. I don't know that my camera wants to focus on her, but she's nice looking. It's really nice. It's Aqua Sun's company with the beta. And then we have some little plant life for her in her aquarium. Oh, look at the back. That's so cute. And then we have water. Okay, so this resin is water. I'm not going to use resin. I don't know that I need to use resin actually. So these are the items that we got for the beta fish. Let me just see if I can put this in her hands. And show her holding it. That's how she looks holding her new fish. Yes. And next one, we have this little baby breath plants. So we have these little baby breath plants. We have a little containers that are gonna go in, and then we get the water. Okay, we get water. I don't know that I need that, but let's look at these, because these are the cutest part of it. Now, I did not want all these Miniverse lifestyles, but some of them were just so adorable. I had to get like these ones with the little milk jugs here in the little tray that they come in, little basket. That looks so cute, so I had to get this one. And let's just move that aside so we can show the next one. This is a birdhouse, so the cardinal birdhouse. And here you don't get very much. You just get the little housey. You get the little bird with his little nest in here. And okay, he has eggs, and then you get the rope to hang it. That's basically the gist of what you get for this one. I don't even know why I have this container. Let's give her the bird. Okay, so she's holding the bird for now. And let's look at our next one. Our next one is gonna be the, what is this? Turtle. The red-eared turtle. Okay, so we got a little tray, the little aquarium. I like that it's different from the beta and it's a rectangle. We get some more water, which I probably won't be using. And then we get some little rocks, little foggy rocks. Okay, and then we get, what is that? Okay, we get some more pink. Oh, it would be cool if I would have gotten another color, because I got pink again. But pink pebbles for the bottom of the turtle. And then we get our little red-eared turtle. He's so cute. My son had two of these. They're very delicate. I don't know what happened, but they passed away. So we have that. Okay, now this plastic, let's get rid of it. And then we got this one. This one is the hummingbird feeder. So as you can see, that's the way it looks. And then we got the feeder right here. We put it together. It's just the top just comes separate from the bottom, but that's gonna be cute to hang in their diorama. And then we have the hummingbird with a nest. So cute. What is this? This is nectar. Oh, I'm not sure that you really need the nectar though, actually. And so that paper goes to that one. And then our next one is the Zen garden. Okay, the Zen garden is a little box that you slide out. Okay, it's kind of hard to slide out, but we get what is this, a rake and a bridge. So we get a rake and a bridge, and we get some sand. Oh, that's gonna be messy. Okay, and then rocks. They look like the rocks from the turtles. We get a cactus. Oh, this cactus kind of looks like the ones that are in the plant, in the plants ones. I don't think I got any of the cactus plants right now. Maybe I have some, maybe I don't. But we get some string. Let's get some string here, and the next thing, and it comes with, of course, the vines, because you're supposed to put them in like some kind of pot that you hang. Let me just have it right here off camera. It's a little hanging terracotta pot. So get that with that rope and that little vine. That's basically it. Jeez, you don't get very much. Okay, so here I have these. I don't know what happened. I had bought these, and I had the pot, the vase, but I can't find it now. And unfortunately, I have like 2 of these. I don't even know what happened to the vases. So I'm gonna have to figure out something to do with these. I'm gonna need a vase for them. And oh, that was the picture for the hanging vine one. So I did get water for that, but again, I'm not going to use the water. So those are all the items that I got from the lifestyle Miniverse. Yeah, I think she's gonna have a good time putting them all together. Now I'm not going to show you how I put them all together, but I will show you how they look after I put them together. So here she is. She's ready to display. She's going to display all the items here for you on these tables, and we have the vase first. Now I couldn't find the original vase that it came with, so I put them in a little glass vase like so. There are 2 sets of these birds of paradise in this vase. And again, there's no water because I don't need water. If I want to put them in, if I want to remove them, I can. Then we have the turtle, the red-eared turtle, and here he is. He has the pink pebbles at the bottom with stone, and he does not need water again. You do not need to add that resin water in there. He looks just fine without it. So we'll just put him there. And then next item we have is an invisible item. No, where is it? Okay, it's this one. It's the baby breath plants. Now I decided to just put them all in one vase, in one of the milk jugs, because I figured I probably have more plants that can go into the other milk vases, and it would seem kind of weird just to have baby breath in all 3 of them. So I will probably be adding other flowers to the other. Then we have the Zen garden, and the Zen garden is I did not use the sand. I just put the items in. This cactus is not stained, so I'm gonna have to show you what I do to these items so to make sure that they stay. That's how it looks close to her. It looks really nice. I think that's gonna be really nice on a like coffee table. So that's gonna be cute. And then this, we have the hummingbird feeder. Now here he is, hummingbird and all, with his feeder. We did not use the nectar in the hummingbird feeder. Obviously it doesn't need it because you can't see through the red jar anyways. Next item is the cardinal house. Okay, so we put together the house, and this is the way it looks. There is the cardinal inside with his eggs. I made sure to be able to see the eggs with the bird at the same time. That's the way it looks with her. Move that aside. Our next item is going to be the the potted vine. Now this one I did a little bit of change up. I did not want to use the big terracotta potted plant pot that it came with because we only have one little vine and it just looks so lame in there. I had this extra watering jug, so I decided to glue it into there instead. I think it looks really, really good in there. Okay, let's move that out of the way, and here we have, I believe this is our last one, we have the beta. She is so beautiful. She's in there. It's kind of hard to see her with that pink pebbles, but I try to put her like in front of the green so that you can see her. She looks so cute. I wish she had like a blue pebbles, but if I ever find like a blue pebbles, I'll switch them out, because again I can, because there's no resin in these. Oh, let me just leave her there actually. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna put this one over here too. Oh my gosh, look at how cute they look. This is what I used. So anything I needed to stick something down with, I used these sticky goop. They're just like double-sided tape, I guess you could say, but it's like a sticky circle that you can use to stick stuff together. So I use this little tiny pieces of it, actually not the whole circle, but little tiny pieces to stick some of the items down, like for example this. So as you can see, the items don't fall off. There is no sand in here because I thought that would be way too messy, but the items do not fall off because, let me just show you. If I remove this rake, you could touch them and they don't fall off. And let me show you on the rake. If we look closely, we can see that there's a little bit of that goop from that sticky thing, and we just put it in place and stick it down, and the item will not fall off. So that's what I used instead of using glue or resin. Resin is permanent, and I don't want my items to be permanent because I like to move things around, because I have different styles. So 1 month I'll like it one way, another month maybe I'll like it another way. So same thing with this little bird. He has a little bit of goop in that flower so that his nose can stick in there, so that he can be stuck there, but he also has a little bit of that sticky stuff at the bottom of his body so that he can stick onto the side railing there. So he's pretty much stuck on. He's not going to fall off or anything. Oops, I'm almost going to drop this plant. Great, look what I do. This is the thing. Oh my gosh, I am so clumsy, guys. Sorry. Okay, there, I saved myself. I saved myself from myself. How do I even? So these are the items I decided not to use. The waters, the resins, the pot. There's some, those rocks, I didn't really need them. The stand, the rope. There's newspapers, I don't even know what to use them for. But yeah, these things I decided not to use. And I still have very beautiful items even though I didn't use the resin. My camera! It's the end of my video and my camera won't focus. Camera didn't want to focus there. This has been a doll's day. Like and subscribe for more videos like this, and please comment on what you like the best. Bye!